Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with our family. We're doing healthy recipes and we're doing product reviews for baby products. Today we are going to show you the easiest way to be able to use your crock pot so that you can have fall apart tender meat, as well as be able to incorporate lots and lots of vegetables into your family's diet, where they will be tasty, they will be perfectly cooked every time, nice and tender, and you will never have an issue with your family saying, no, I don't want those. Now, one thing, I really don't like celery, but with this dish, I love to eat it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put our meat in, which is going to be the chicken. Now, we went ahead and got this on sale at the store for 77 cents a pound. Anytime that it goes on sale, 70 cents, 60 cents, 50 cents, we definitely buy a lot of it because then it gives our, our family the ability to be able to eat good on a budget. So it's really nice. So basically, this is going to be a 5-minute prep, and then you just set it and forget it. When you come back, it'll be time for your dinner or your lunch, and you don't have to worry about, slaving over the stove and cooking or doing any of that kind of stuff. So basically what we're going to do is you just crack open your chicken, all right, whether you got chicken breasts or chicken thighs or chicken legs or whatever, all right, and all you do is you just open the package and dump them right in. Quick and simple, just like that. All right, so you just want to make sure that they're flush along the bottom so that they have the ability to do even cooking. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our hardest vegetables on the bottom. What we have is we have 2 mason jars full of chicken broth. We're going to go ahead and put that over the top once we're done. And we're going to take all of our hard vegetables and put them on top. So first what we have is we've got potatoes. We also have corn, carrots, we have celery, we have green onions, and then we have some spices. Now this is just going to take basic spices, and it's going to come out phenomenally delicious. What we're going to do is we're going to lightly dust the chicken with garlic, and then we're going to lightly dust everything else with ranch that has onion, parsley. It also has garlic and various other things in there. So let me just show you what we're going to do. So we got our chicken in there, and we're just going to do a quick dusting on the top of the garlic. All right, and then we're going to take our sharp knife. And basically what you want to do is you want to have big pieces, and so when you have the big pieces, if they want to break it up while they're eating, they can do that. But when you have big, hearty pieces like that, people are going to get full a lot faster, and they're going to really enjoy that dish. So you just get your big pieces, you throw them right in there, and it's so quick and easy. And the great thing is, with the crock pot, this is also a really good, easy way to make stew. If you just want to add some more broth to it, some leafy vegetables, you can make stew really quick and easy. And all you do is you just dump the stuff right in there. All right, so that's going to be enough potatoes today. All right, and then we have carrots. And we're going to just dump our carrots in there just like that. All right, so you just strip your corn just like this. Okay, break it off at the end. And you just want to also put this in big chunks as well. Like I said, when you have the big chunks, it's going to be nice and filling for you and your family. With your celery, what you're going to do, just chop off the end, chop off any kind of pieces that you don't want, and then make it big, big chunks. And remember, with these big chunks, they're going to be super, super tender when they're done cooking. You don't have to worry about your family saying, ooh, I don't like those, or they're too crunchy or whatever. They come out nice and good. Same thing with the green peppers. What we're going to do, you just chop off the ends, and then put these in big chunks, just like so. All right. We'll just throw those guys in there. And one, they add good flavor, also some nice nutrition. Okay, and so what we're going to do, like I said, you're going to dust the top with ranch, and what it's going to do is it's going to go down and it's going to marinate everything as you go. Okay, and we also have some tomatoes that we're going to throw in there. Now the great thing about these tomatoes, they're going to be nice and tender when everything's done cooking, and once again, it's also going to add some good flavor to that. Just like that. Throw the big chunks inside, so that they all can play together. All right. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and get your chicken broth and just pour it over the top. Now, usually when you're doing beef or pork, you won't need to put any juices in there, but chicken doesn't create a lot of juice. So what we like to do is we like to go ahead and get the can opener here that's usually on the wine openers, and that just pops the lid right off. Alright. You just pour it over the top, just like so. And this is a chicken stock that we made in one of our previous videos on our other channel, The Green Cabby. You know, you always got to use what you have so it doesn't go to waste. Alright, and that's all you basically have to do. After that, you just throw the lid right on top, you lock it up, and you're going to let this cook for 7 to 9 hours. So like I said, you can put it on high and set it and forget it. You can go to work, you can go to sleep, wake up when you're ready to go, or do all the things that you need to do during the day. Your meal will be ready for you whenever you're ready to eat it. It'll be tender, it'll be delicious, and nutritious. So once we get to the end, after everything's all cooked, we'll come back and we'll show you how it looks. Alright, so as you see, we just woke up and our vegetables are ready to go. And all you do is you just flip off the top here and you see the beautiful vegetables. And we're going to get to the bottom, and so we got some corn completely fully cooked. Alright, we've got our celery, as we told you, completely cooked. Alright, our tomatoes. Alright, we've got our carrots in there, and our beautiful broth has completely filled the whole container. And then we'll get to the bottom. So let's see what else we got here. We got our potatoes, and the great thing about the potatoes is they are completely marinated all the way through, so they're super tasty, never dry. And if you look here, the meat just falls right off the bone. You see that? That's the bone. It falls right off the bone. Super tender. And it's got lots and lots of flavor. Just go and throw that in your bowl. Alright, and so we have it. A delicious meal. Super easy. It always comes out perfect, never burned, always tender. Super delicious and very healthy. Again, thank you so much for watching We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with our family and we're doing healthy recipes. We're doing baby product reviews. We just really appreciate you joining us today. If you like this recipe, please let us know in the comments below. As always, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, share it on Google Plus and Facebook, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.